Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another final thoughts on these products. I used these products in a chit chat get ready with me, and I am now here to give my final thoughts on them. If I love them, if I feel the same, if I don't like them at all anymore. So if you want to hear my thoughts on these beauty products, then please keep on watching. So I use these products in a testing out new makeup product videos. I don't know how long ago now. I feel like it's been a little bit, but I like to wait like a month going on 2 months to do these videos. That way I can test everything out for y'all. The first thing I want to talk about that I really like is the sponge from, I believe it's Walgreens, the Beauty 360 sponge. I really like this sponge. As you can tell, mine is dirty. I actually used it today and I really do like it. I don't get it as wet as I did when I filmed the video, because I feel like whenever I don't get it that wet, you don't get that hard dense center. It's not as wet in the center. It's not leaking out water. So that's my little tip and trick with that guy. But I do like it. It's very, very soft. It blends out the product very well. I feel like it's a little bit more fatter in this area than normal. So I do pinch it in quite tight to get like right underneath my under eye. That's really it. But I like the sponge, and for the money, I want to say it's around $5 at Walgreens. You really can't beat it, because I mean, there's a lot of dupes for beauty blenders nowadays, and this could be one of them. It's very, very soft. The next thing I have is the NYX Honey Do Me Up Primer. To be honest, I feel like it didn't do that much for my skin. Like, it was hydrating. It was very hydrating. I liked the way it made my skin feel underneath foundation, especially when I used matte foundations. But I don't see a long-term effect. Like it says, honey is a natural antiseptic. Gold flakes increase skin radiance, and collagen for smoother skin. Collagen you can get from your skincare. I've heard your skin doesn't absorb gold. And honey, I understand, you know, it being good for your skin, but I just don't. I see this maybe more as a skincare product, and maybe that's what it's for. I don't know, but I use it as a primer. It made my skin a little bit more tacky, and it provided some really nice hydration to it. So maybe I'm using it wrong. Maybe it's not a primer. Maybe it's more of like a skincare serum. Let me know down below, but I just feel like makeup wise, it didn't do anything that great besides give hydration. And then the next thing that we have right here is the Wet n Wild Mega Clear Mascara. I did not like this. I don't get the point of clear mascaras like this that have like no hold. Like, I understand the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, because that literally is like cement. It's very, very tight on your brows. It holds everything down, but this one was just wet, and I feel like it didn't really do anything. It didn't hold shape very well. It didn't, I don't know, I just didn't like it. It was very wet. That is something I don't like about it. So I don't really think I'm going to be reaching for this anymore. And then next thing we have the Zoya lipstick in the shade Addie. And I actually really like this. I've reached for this multiple times since that video, because it is a really pretty pinky purple mauve shade. Zoya does sell this on their website. I was able to link it for that video and find it for y'all. And I actually really enjoy this. Like I said, I've reached for it multiple times since then. I think it's a really pretty everyday pinky mauve shade. It's pretty easy to apply, easy color to go with a lot of things, and I just really liked it. I don't see myself buying any more of these lipsticks. You can't get them at Ulta or anything like that. So I don't see myself buying another one of these. And if I do finish it, I don't see myself repurchasing it, just because I do have other lipsticks. And then next thing I have right here was the Naked Cosmetics like holographic highlighter palette. I like this, but I feel like I'm not gonna use it really, and like realistically, I'm not gonna use it that much. The only shades I did like out of it were like the pinky one and the yellow one. I believe, if I remember correctly, those were the ones I did use in the video. And I still really think this is the only two I would use. It's not that practical for everyday use, and I don't know, it's not realistic for me. Yeah, they were pretty and they looked cool, but it's just not every day. It's not like what a normal person would use on an everyday occasion for makeup. And then next we have the ColourPop Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette. I don't even think they sell this anymore, and it's probably a good thing that they don't, because I love the shimmers in here. And I will reach for the shimmers off camera, since I don't think they sell this anymore. But I don't think you need it, and it's because it's all shimmers. You literally can't do anything but use this as a lid topper, and maybe that's why they took it away. Maybe it didn't sell that good. I don't know, but you can't do that much because these are all shimmers. They're beautiful shimmers. They're lovely shimmers. They're creamy shimmers, but you can't do much with just shimmers. I mean, unless you wear shimmer all over your lid and blend it into the crease, this would be perfect for you. But for me, it doesn't work well, and I can't justify buying a palette like this or any palette like this, because it doesn't have any mattes. And then lastly, right here, we have this Profusion blush and bronzer thing. I am throwing this in the trash. This is like not okay. I don't like this at all. It's, for one, it's huge. I would love to find the Profusion one Casey Holmes talks about, but I just can't seem to find that yet. And this is my one shot at trying it out when I bought it at Marshall's, and I just can't. I did get some other Profusion stuff from Target though, so I will do a video using that stuff, and that stuff seems like it looks really good. But this was a no-go for me. The bronzer's really powdery, the blusher's really powdery. The highlights are pretty, but it's not worth it, and it's very bulky. You can't find this at like Marshall's and TJ Maxx, but the Profusion line at Target has eyeshadow palettes and stuff that look way better quality than this, so I would definitely check it out there. So that is my little roundup of these products right here. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I did film this makeup look today with a bunch of new products I did test out, so keep an eye out for that chit chat get ready with me video, as well as that final products update video. I used some like Morphe setting spray. I used like new Rimmel powder, Milani concealer, new foundation, stuff like that. So keep an eye out for that video. They both will be coming very soon. I will link these products down below again, just in case you are interested in anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.